All right, this is the last category, and it might not be in everyone's asset allocation, but I really like these type of stocks, is your dividend stocks. It's a good alternative to bonds, where you have an established company that, or a real estate investment trust, a REIT, that pays a high dividend. You're not expecting a ton of appreciation with the stock value, but you want to get that nice dividend either for tax reasons, or you're just looking, maybe you just don't want to be in bonds and you like the idea of just getting dividends from a company. The risk level is going to be a little bit higher because you are owning equities compared to a bond, but it's going to be in that low medium because any company that's paying a high dividend is established. These are going to be your utilities. These are going to be really large companies and real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts are publicly traded companies that pay out 90% of their earnings out as a dividend. That's the tax rules behind it. And the underlying assets that they own are going to be like apartment complexes, corporate buildings, multi-unit housing, whatever they particularly own. REITs are usually going to pay a very large dividend.